Hey, Jennifer, cover these guys. Come on. Right there. Be on her. Cover somebody, Audrey. Right there, Ashley. Good. Good.
Stay right there, Sasha.
Stay alive. Look alive. Look alive. Get in there, Gracie. Right in the middle. Out in the middle. Go get that ball. Georgia, come on. Get in here. Maddie, get in the box.
White, you got to be at least 10 yards from that ball. You got to keep that.
Maybe after some water, so I picked it up and I squirted it, and it just went. I totally missed, and it just. Well, I pulled it down at least.
Let's play.
Cover, cover, cover. Go get it, Jennifer. Go get it, Jen. Get it, Jen. Algie, you're in the middle. Go, hustle, hustle. Hustle. Clear it out of there, you guys. Clear it out. Clear it out.
Come on. Kick it in.
Can't even take it.
Come on, girls.
Lethargic players. Hustle. Come on, offense, mids, get up there.
Bring it out, Summer. Let's go. Come on.
Coach, I need that. Can Maddie stay deep?
Yes.
And I also like Jess as mid.
Good, Kendall. Let's go, Jada.
Come on, girls. Go, Summer.
Go, Summer. Go, Summer.
Don't back down.
Go, Georgia, go, it's your ball. Georgia, get her. Georgia, keep going. Attack the ball, keep going, it's yours, come on.
All right. All right, come on. Let's
Fall back, cover. Cover. Jennifer, right here.
Good girl.
Cover.
Let's go down the line, Summer. Down the line.
Be ready, Aud. Be ready.
There
It's
you
yours, Audrey, go. Audrey, go.
Go, Caitlin.
Come on, Audrey.
Caitlin.
Get a shot.
Let's go, Caitlin. Come on, Caitlin. Come on, guys. Good shot, Caitlin. Way to go, Caitlin.
Audrey, you can't let the ball go by you like that.
That was too easy.
Watch your bounce.
Come on,
Go, Maddie.
Good job, Sophia. Nice work, Sophia.
Let's go.
Move to it. Dorsa.
Olivia.
Good girl.
Audrey.
Go, Summer. We need a shot.
Go, Caitlin.
Come on,
Go, Caitlin.
Shoot.
It's in.
Yes. Good job, Caitlin. Way to go, Caitlin.
Uncross your arms, Audrey. You've got to look alive. You guys are standing around. Madison, Ashley, you got to move.
Good job, Caitlin.
Caitlin. Pretty good for not
No,
knowing
stay
how to
there. We're
play
almost
forward,
done.
huh?
Nice work, Caitlin.
Pretty good
Audrey,
for not knowing
come
how
out.
to play
Come on,
forward, huh?
on the side.
All right, get in position.